astronaut Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore, along with 2 other astronauts,
have returned to Earth along with the Starliner of Boeing, which was supposed to bring them back to Earth. Got damaged, that is why they had to wait for so long. They finally got the Dragon capsule of Elon Musk's company SpaceX. It landed smoothly on the trees in Florida. After landing from the International Space Station, it took a long time of 17 hours to land the vehicle. Know how was the journey and what happened after the capsule splashed down? The parachute opened and then splashed down. According to the time, at 3:27 on Wednesday, the capsule carrying 4 passengers landed in the sea near a Florida hotel. After reaching the sea, there was anti-aircraft from the control center. They were welcomed by saying, "Nick Book Suni, welcome back home from SpaceX." Commander Nick replied happily. There is a smile on everyone's face in the capsule. What happened just before splashdown? While entering the Earth's atmosphere, the speed of the Dragon capsule was 17 miles per hour, which was rapidly slowed down at an interval of a few minutes. Temperature of 2000 degrees and heat shield. How dangerous was this journey? When the capsule entered the Earth's atmosphere, the communication went blackout, which was restored again at around 3:20 minutes. After entering the atmosphere, the temperature of the plasma shield of the spacecraft reached 1927 degrees Celsius, but the heat shield proved helpful in saving the astronauts on board from such intense heat. At around 3:21, the spacecraft became autonomous, that is, the astronauts were not controlling it. During this time we could see the videos on the touchscreen placed in front of them. At around 3:24, the first 2 parachutes of the Dragon capsule opened, due to which its raft became slower. During this, there was a strong shock and the raft of the capsule became slower. After this, 2 more parachutes opened. What happened after landing? Immediately after the capsule landed in the sea, dolphins were seen swimming, circling around it in the water. The recovery team present on the spot reached the capsule quickly and first reviewed the safety and then removed the parachute. After this, the SpaceX recovery port was reached, which was stopped 2 miles away from the landing side. At the time the spacecraft was returning, the sky was completely clear and blue. After this, the capsule was brought into the safety boat with the help of ropes. When the hatch of the capsule opened, the side hatch of the Dragon opened and the whole world started waiting to get a glimpse of the astronauts. After this, through live pictures of NASA, people across the world saw Sunita Williams and her companions coming out, and there we do see crew 9. Some happy waves, smiles all around back on Earth. Just before coming out of the capsule, Sunita Williams aroused herself and expressed her happiness by waving her hands in the air. After spending nearly 286 days in space, Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore took a breath in the air. The International Space Station for nearly 9 months. These 2 passengers, staying on